How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way on how you can delete the recently played section on Spotify. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to delete the recently played on Spotify, you have to keep in mind that Spotify no longer offers you the solution to actually go ahead and delete your recently played section, even if you are a premium user. So if I just go ahead and launch the Spotify application over here, once I launch the Spotify application, you can see my recently played option right at the bottom. Now if I select a certain playlist as well, or even if I go within it, I'll not be able to find the option to hide this from the recently played row or anything as such. It is not as simple as you think. So let's say that this is too problematic for you. You are sharing an account with someone else. You're too embarrassed to let them know that you have the recently played section, and you're too embarrassed to let them know that you have listened to these particular songs. So you can see that Spotify actually shows up to 12 recent songs or playlists played on Spotify. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You have up to 12 recently played. So what I would recommend you do is, if you're too embarrassed or if you want to remove these from your recently played, try to listen to more songs and add them to the recently played section. So let's say that I want to remove this to the second or third. I'll just go ahead and listen to another playlist over here, and I'll tap on the play button. So let me just mute the volume as well. Once I mute the volume and then actually play a song right over here, you can see that if I come to my recently played, that particular playlist will be moved at the top. Keep repeating the process if you want to move the other ones to the right hand side of the screen, and then completely eliminate them after they reach the 12th row. And simply one of the ways to actually do this is not really about deleting, but this is the only way to work around it. Unfortunately, this is how it works on Spotify, because we really do not have the option to go ahead and then delete those manually. So I'll just select the playlist from another option as well. And now if I come back, you can see this will be moved to the third. Similarly, keep on repeating it until you want to remove one of the songs from your playlist and move them to the end of the screen. Now, after you do this, let's say that you want to prevent this from happening in the future. I will suggest you one thing, that is to tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. Here you want to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Right over here you can see social. Now what I would recommend you to do is, now in future, if you don't want to get the recently played section, you can simply turn on private session. What it does is that you can start a private session to listen to songs anonymously without showing up the recently played section in the future. But keep in mind that this is only done after you want to remove it, not before you've done it. So make sure to keep that in mind as well. But as I said, the best alternative solution is to listen to as many playlists as possible and remove the previous ones. Hopefully this video helped answer your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.